Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me iPhone 15, and now I can show you how to resolve the trouble when screen does not respond. So screen is not respond on this beautiful device is only because of two reasons. First reason, because of iOS is freezing, and the second reason is because you have the physical damage of your screen, of your touch screen. So in the second situation, of course, you need to get your device to the customer service because I can't help you just showing you something on the video. But on the second station, I can help you because you just need to perform the force restart of your device. To do it, you just need to press on the volume up, the volume down, and press and hold the power button until your device disables. Wait until you will see the Apple logo on your screen. When you will see the Apple logo, so just release power button. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.